What's up guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Whenever I post my video, you'll be notified. So today I'm going to make avocado oil with avocados. This is my 3 avocado that I'm going to use to make avocado oil for my natural hair. So I'll be showing you step by step how I'm going to make oil with this avocado. So now I'm going to cut the avocados so I can start cooking them. So now here is the avocado. I already opened them. Now I'm going to put them on the pan so I can start frying the avocados. That's my pan, and now I'm putting the avocados on the pan. You must make sure you break all the avocado and it must be smooth. You see, when you're making oil, you must make sure you break all the avocados. And you should not bend. Yeah, make sure you don't bend the avocados. You must keep mixing, so the brown color which we want will come out, and the green, you can see the green is disappearing. Now my avocado are green and brown, and you should keep doing like this until all the avocado turn brown and dry, not black. You should make sure all the brown, not black, sorry, brown and dry, so the oil can come out perfect. That's what you have to do when you're making avocado oil. You have to just fry the fresh avocados. So now you can see the oil is almost ready. The avocado now is all turned brown, and maybe you can see when it's boiling, you can see the oil. It starts showing now oil. So you have to keep mixing it until all it turns brown. Now it's not ready. You can see it's brown and green, but you have to keep mixing it so that the avocado should not burn, and they should also come out nicely. You can see all the avocado now is changed the color. It's now brown and a little bit of black. Maybe you can see even the oil is showing. The oil is bubbling inside. especially here. You can see the oil is start to come out already. That's how you should do if you want to make avocado oil organic in your house. So now it's ready. My avocado is ready now. You can see now it's brown. It's ready. I'm going to let it cool down so I can start taking out the oil when it's cold. Now I can't touch it because it's hot. I'm going to let it to cool down so we can be able to take out the oil. You can see how it is now. That's how you should do your avocados to make oil. Here is the avocado. Sorry, it's already cold and I put on the plate, and I'm going to use this cloth, and this is the other empty plate, which I'm going to do like this and put the avocados, and I'm going to put small because if I put too much, maybe I can't squeeze the oil in, out. You can see. You can see now oil is starting already to come out. You can see now it started dropping out. Look. Oil is coming already. You need power so you can squeeze nicely. You need power to take out the oil again. That's how you do avocado oil at home. I don't have a machine, so I can just do like this. Now I squeeze you already, and I'm going to put it here on the plastic. You see? I'm putting it here on the plastic, which now this one I don't need it because I already removed the oil, and I'll put another one again. I'll keep doing the same until all is done, all is finished. Keep doing the same. That's it. So here's the amount of oil that comes out. I'm going to put on this bottle so you can see nicely. I use 3 avocado, and that's the oil I take out from 3 avocado. It depends of how many avocado you use to get more oil. Me, I use 3 avocado. You can see this is the oil. You see how my hand is, and this is my natural hair. You can see how it is. You can see how long is my hair by using this. It's good for natural hair, any hair, to make your hair strong and thick and long. You see my hair? You can see avocado. Just take avocado and fry the avocados, and you can see the results. You can see how my hair is. So see you in the next video, and please make sure you like my video, you share my video, and also subscribe to my channel. Turn on the notification bell. Whenever I post my video, you'll be notified. Please, I'm almost 100 subscribers, so please subscribe to my channel for me to reach 1000 subscribers. Guys, please subscribe to my channel. I'm just cleaning my hands and my hair so I can't waste all the oil. I can't just wash my hands like that. See you in the next video.